Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to print a sheet or a worksheet in just one page on Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by left clicking on the page layout tab at the top. Just left click on that one time. And then you want to go and left click on the area that says page setup. You want to left click on this little arrow that expands, so expand that. Now that we're on this screen, you want to set it to fit to, and then you can set one page wide by one page tall. And then once you're done doing that, just left click on OK. And there you go guys, it should be confined to one page at this point. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.